Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need to download driver WorkForce Pro. This here the serial, and you type the driver download. And this why I search the official website. I like the download official website, the website first download and not a virus driver. Okay, this here the official website. Click here. And this why website loading. And okay, this here the website land, landing page website. You scroll down or click here, and this here the driver or software, and download driver or software your product, and you click button download, and this white landing page link. If you need a question, uh, this the printer error, you comment the description, and I am create this video more later. Okay, and if you click your select your system operation, click here. This is the system operation for the Android OS and Chrome OS, EOS Linux, system operation for Linux. And this here the system operation for the Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 12 and Mac 11. And this here the driver for the Epson, driver for the Windows 8, Windows 11, and Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server. This here the Windows Vista, Windows XP. This video you need download driver Windows 11, new Windows. Select your system operation for the Windows 11. Windows 11. Click here. Driver download Epson Windows 11. Right? Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. This here the driver for the Windows 11, and click here. This here the driver only, not scanner, and please wait. Okay, this recommended for you. This the driver. Click here. This here the release update field version. You looking release and new release version universal driver. And this here the scan page for the user interface, and this here the print scan 3 driver, and print scan 3 driver is this here. You looking the release update. This video you need download a driver print and driver universal print. I am recommended for you. Just click here and click button download. I am recommended for you download here and click button download. Click here and download the driver. Okay, you're looking here. And if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and your press wire finish driver download. You click on as the driver, and driver take the automatic for the cable printer, and you click next and finish the download. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi or wireless, you will connect the laptop, connect the printer for the wireless, connect the printer for the wireless, connect the laptop for the wireless, and one wireless. You locate the IP. You run as a driver to take the IP for the printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for support my channel. Like and subscribe my video. Bye.